everybody, my name is Jack also. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this wonderful slime. Like, look at this.
Oh my goodness, this is so good. This is so good.
I know it's cool. It took a few seconds, but still it was messy, but it was fun too.
Yeah, this is good. Whoa. Wanna lift it up again?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for this slime, I just have tropical starch and water. So I'm going to mix. So now I'm just going to pour tropical starch into my plate and mix with cold water.
Okay.
Is that enough? This is usually messy, but it's fun.
Yeah.
Because you're making with Eric Chukunonso, the fun guy. Stir.
Okay.
So my mom's gonna help me put some boiling water in this.
Okay.
Do it, Mom.
Oh.
Show them the trick. Now that. No, not too much.
Okay.
This is hard.
Oh, you have to stir with your muzzle.
My muzzle! You can't stop me, Mr. Hard.
Can you take it up, listeners? Oh.
I know. It's fun. Now I'm gonna make sprinkle in this and see what happens.
Okay.
Which one should I use? Oh, good. Guys, look at this.
Oh. Maybe we need to add more.
Boy, this is so gummy and slummy.
It's looking so good.
Oh, Duga. Oh, Duga.
Oh.
White shark too.
Alright, can you use your both hands? Oh.
I know it's fun.
Wow. Wow, look at this.
Everybody will love this for sure.
It's beautiful.
Right, Wyatt?
I'm gonna take it up.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and have a good time making the slime. Tell me what your favorite slime is and color in the comments.
Oh, that's cute.
And sprinkles, of course.